Funde isiXhosa no-Underpenguin neetshomi zakhe.
Iintsingiselo zamagama esiXhosa. isiXhosa names and their meanings. Odwa, only girls, only boys. Olothando, of love. Oluhle, the beautiful one. Olwethu, our own, it's ours. Onako, the one who is able, one who has potential. Ondela, be grounded. Onele, they are enough, sufficient. Onikayo, the one who gives, the giver. Onke, all, everything. Okuhle, that which is beautiful, good. Okuyo, the one who is present. Okwenathi, that which is with us, what belongs to us. Oluhle, the beautiful one. Olungaka, of this magnitude. Oluthando, this love, the one who is love. Oluyintando, that which is the will, usually referring to God. Ongezwa, they have been added. Ovayo, the one who hears. Owaziyo, the one who knows. Owethu, ours, the one who belongs to us. Oyena, the true one.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Underpenguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye!